In this guide, I'll show you how to re-download purchased games on your Nintendo Switch. All you need is to be connected to the internet as well as having the account that purchased the game on the Nintendo eShop. So from here, we're going to go to the Nintendo eShop at the bottom. Then it's going to ask us who's using it. We're going to select the account that's purchased the game. And then once the Nintendo eShop loads, what we're going to do is select our profile in the top right corner. So we're going to give this a second to load, and now we're going to move over to our profile in the top right. And once this loads, we're going to scroll down to the re-download option, and this should show all of the games and apps you've downloaded from the Nintendo eShop, as well as a download option beside it. So I'm going to go ahead and select Fortnite, for example, and it'll say download started. And when you press the home button on your remote, it should appear here on the home menu, and it should start downloading unless you don't have enough space on your console. So you'll see a flashing X if you don't have enough space, and you'll either have to free up space by deleting stuff or adding a micro SD card with space on it. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.